Hi Chatty Lies, how are you doing? Am I hearing the wedding bells? Hope you're doing well. So this video, as already seen from the title, is about getting married in Denmark. Hey, so many questions have been coming to me. Phoebe, I'm trying to get married and they are stretching me and they're saying this and they're saying that. And I'm like, you can leave Germany, right? Like, you have the legal stay for you to leave the country and you are eligible to enter the country of Denmark because you probably have a Schengen covering with the type of legal stay you have in Germany. Then why are you stressing? Why are you stressing? So let me tell you this. If you need to apply to the Danish family agency to get your marriage ceremony in Denmark, then please watch this video because I'm going to show you how to go about it. If you're someone who lives in Germany, for example, as a foreigner, or you just live in Germany and you want to get married in Denmark, because it comes with the benefits that the Danish marriage is, or the marriage done in Denmark is recognized in Germany without any further ado, all right? So you don't have to have it translated or anything. No, I'm going to show you how it is done. I've already done this video before talking about getting married in Denmark, and now I'm going to do an updated version of it. This is because when people come to me and they don't know what to do after they've gotten married in Denmark, and two, because in Denmark you don't do the change of name there, but you can do it in Germany. There is a new law in Germany, or a new provision in Germany. Before, in Germany, if you get married, you both have to choose what your marital name would be. And then you say that, no, we don't have any marital name. We want to keep our names as they are. Now in Germany, it is not by force to say, we want to choose this name as our marital name, that the woman takes the man's name or the man takes the woman's name, or we don't want to take each other's names. We want to stay as we are, or we want to put the name together. You don't have to actually say that. It is now, you can, okay? So that is the new thing that is in the German law now. So now let us continue with, how do I go about it if I want to get married in Denmark? If you need more help, contact me. My details are in the description box below, or I'm going to write my email address right here, or you go on my website www.thephoebeway.de. Yes, if you need further assistance. But now, how do you get married in Denmark? These are the requirements. First of all, are you eligible? Are you above 18? You are under guardianship. You need your guardian to consent. If both of you are related, blood related, then please, you cannot get married in Denmark. Similar to Germany as well. You can't do that. So that is one thing you should watch out for. The next thing is, of course, you should need to make sure that you can bring your proof of family status. Basically, are you single? Like, you have to prove that you are not married. Yes, you have to prove that. Two, you have to also have your passport. You'd have to present your passport as well. You have to present your legal stay. So how are you going to enter Denmark? That is what they want to know. They don't really want to know about Germany. No, they want to know about Denmark. How are you going to enter Denmark? Do you have a visa to enter Denmark? Yes, that. For additional, you have to make declarations that you're aware of the family reunification rules in Denmark, which doesn't usually have to be a problem because you are not going to reunify your family in Denmark, but rather in Germany. So you just sign and declare that, yes, doesn't apply to you. So you basically have to apply for the certificate to get married, and this certificate to get married, well, you just call it a marriage license, okay? This is valid for 4 months once you get it. So to get that, these documents that I've said, you also have to prove that you are not married. You can get that usually if you live in Germany. You can also get that from your Rathaus, from your Meldebehörde, and you can do the erweiterte Meldebescheinigung, okay? This is what you can show them as well. You have to prove that you're not married. And depending on where you are from, yes, you show that. And it's also possible to be on the safer side. Also get the Ghanaian one. If, for example, for Ghanaians, also get this certificate of no impediment as well. So just to be on the safe side. Usually they accept German or English or even Danish certificates. So if you have English, stay with English. If you have German, stick with German. They don't need to have extra blah 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 blah. All right, so after you receive this marriage license, which is valid for 4 months, you make your appointment at the community that you wish to get married in, and then you get your date. After getting your date, you go there, you get married, and then you get your marriage certificates. That's why I want to differentiate between the marriage license and the marital certificate, like the marriage certificate itself. This is what you would need in Germany. You can get the international one. It can be in English, or you can also give it to you in German. As I said, even when you are submitting things in German, it shouldn't be a problem. So you can get it in German. You take it to your Standesamt. Now, when you take it to the Standesamt, it is not by force. Okay, it is not compulsory. If you don't want your marriage to be registered in the German records, that's up to you. But if you want to have a new legal state type, or if you want to have the one because if you want to change it because you are now married to a German citizen, now you want to have the paragraph 28 of the Aufenthaltsgesetz, then you have to take it to Standesamt, they record it, you get the new certificate, and then you take it to the Ausländerbehörde, obviously. Okay, so that is it. And because it's already in German, you don't have to get it translated or anything. As I said earlier, if you want to get your name changed, you want to do your name declaration, you take it to the Standesamt as well, and you get it there. You get it done there. You entering your marriage into the German family registers, in the German family records, is not compulsory. It's optional. If you want to do it, you do it. But if you want to change names, if you want to change your type of legal stay or your legal permit, then yes, go ahead and do that. So I hope this helped. I hope this reminded you. If you have not seen my previous video, I'm going to put it right here. Also put in the description box. There I explain into more detail, okay? Check that out. If you need more information, my website is there. You can shoot me an email and we take it from there. Thank you, Schatzileins, for watching, and I wish you all the best. For those planning your weddings, viel Erfolg, viel Freude miteinander und ich wünsche euch das Allerbeste. Ciao, ciao!